guys, welcome to Rhyan, and on this episode we will be looking at some Crocs that I just bought. As you guys already know, I do not do hauls to flaunt things that I've gotten. I like to give people ideas. I like to watch hauls for ideas. I get plenty of ideas. That is my whole point. Just wanted to make that clear. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in, and if you are new here, welcome. Just press that subscribe button please, and if you like me, and if you don't,
hear the music.
this pair actually just came in last week, and I'm so happy about them, so happy to wear them and everything, because they are a fluffy pair. You can get nice and cozy in the inside, great for the winter time. That's what I'm really waiting to use them for. Obviously I can use them for slippers too, but I just got slippers off of Shein, and if you want to check out that haul, which is great, I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss it, because you guys will get a great discount from that haul. Go ahead and click up above for that. I think these are super cute. I can't wait to wear them once I can get that thing out right there. These are so comfortable and they fit perfectly. I love these. Is it okay to have romance with shoes? These Crocs right here. Guys, I still haven't worn them outside yet. They're really cute. Self-care, music note, and cherry blossom. These are so cute, and they're wedges. Like, you don't see these. Like, these, I'm liking these, you guys. I really am. Honestly, these look nice with what I'm wearing right now, with the sweater and these jeans. And I ain't trying to put no pin in it. Hold up, what the fuck is either. Gonna get a little. Next pair that I have are literally just like the wedges, but they're the flat kind, because the wedges are iridescent, and so are these. I have my stickies. I love peach, so I have peach and I have a heart, and my sister got these shoes for me, so she gave me a dinosaur because she calls me Rhinosaurus Rex. Now you guys know if you didn't know. So cute. And they're really comfy too. Obviously, after a while, walking in these too long do hurt, so I just want to make that clear, you guys, because Crocs can put you through some pain now. In color Blossom, you know, like Cheryl Blossom, Riverdale. And I have the sun, and then the I Love Peach, which I would love to put I Love New York, because for New York, and I love New York. But yeah, I actually wore these. They look dirty because they are dirty. You know, there's dirt outside, and I got dirt on them. So I was just walking, and I stepped into this huge puddle, and it made a mess on the shoes. I didn't think I'll get through, but I did. The mess that it made, I couldn't believe it. I thought that my shoes were worth more than just a puddle on the ground. But they became dirty, and I don't like dirty shoes. I also don't like cleaning shoes. That's why I like dirtying them. But that moment was so unavoidable. I couldn't avoid the shoes. Anyways, you guys, that was the pair of Crocs, the crew of Crocs that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you maybe have an idea. Maybe you want some fluffy Crocs because they are comfortable. Obviously, you can use them in the house, great for winter. I don't know why anybody would wear those during the summertime, to be honest. And you have wedge kinds, iridescent. Come on, you have so many ideas from this video. You might as well just subscribe. I'm just saying, I'm no expert here, but I am an expert, you know what I mean? So you kind of should just do it. Thank you guys. I hope you have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people. And like I said, like and subscribe. And hey, might as well do it.